Let's talk about connecting to AdBadger. So anyone who connects to advertising.amazon.com to view their campaigns should be able to connect to AdBadger. Currently, we don't connect directly to Seller Central or KDP or Vendor Central. Most ad accounts go through advertising.amazon.com, including multiple countries. So this also, if you are Amazon, advertising.amazon.de, for example, we connect to you as well. Now, there's really three levels of connection that you should understand. The first is the Amazon account. This is the login that you use for Amazon. So, mine is michael@adbadger.com. I go to Amazon and I log in that way. And then I'll pick a store that I want to work on. And then I'll pick the country that I want to work within. So a good example of that would be jim@nike.com has the store Nike and the marketplace Nike Canada. So to do that, when you are first signing up with AdBadger, you're going to go ahead and click Link Seller Account. There's really no way to get inside AdBadger without linking an account. And really what we mean by this when we say Link Seller Account is we mean your Amazon account. Then once you do that, you're going to go ahead and click type your account name. You can give it a nickname as well as your region, North America, Europe, or Asia Pacific. Now, a common issue here is when you go into the settings of AdBadger, and by the way, you can click Link Seller Account pretty much at any time because you can add additional accounts, like if you're an agency or a freelancer. So when you go into your settings and you go to stores and accounts, you'll see this button. You'll click it and select your region. Now, there's some common issues here. Sometimes people may pick the wrong region, so we've actually added flags to help out with that process. And sometimes here, when they get taken over to Amazon, they may enter the wrong country. They may enter the wrong account. A lot of times, your browser, may autofill a personal account instead of the business account that you want to add. So be aware of that. And then after that, you're going to go into your settings and add a store. And when you add a store, we start downloading a lot of data. And for large accounts, it may take several minutes. So here we are inside AdBadger. And I've added a seller account. I've added a store. Now I need to add the marketplace to that store. So you can see here in this account, I have 3 stores and each store has 1 marketplace. Now, if I wanted to add a Canadian marketplace, I would go and click on, my first store name. I've called this one VPB. And then I would do a sync. And I would be sure to, follow the instructions there to add that store. And there's an initial sync that happens when you first sign up. It can take a couple hours to pull that first account in. And the reason why is because we don't want Amazon to pause us by sending too many requests at once. And it's also a big sync. We download 60 days worth of data as opposed to, once you're a customer, when you progress 24 hours, we download the next 24 hours instead of the next 24 hours multiplied by 60. So the first sync is 60 times bigger than the next sync that we'll do. So I'll talk more about that in the next video about how AdBadger gets the campaign data from Amazon.